first of all, let me prove phonetic for you. Listen guys, I don't know what does phonetic mean in English language. I have written in dictionary. The dictionary express the sound. So see, phonetic. Yes, so this is the sound. We should pronounce it like this, phonetic. In American English, we pronounce
phonetic.
See, in American English, it's US English.
Phonetic.
Phonetic. In UK, we
Phonetic.
Oh, it's also in American, so let me find UK.
Phonetic.
Phonetic. It's British. Okay, phonetic. By excusing, she offered that she had guests last night. That's why she couldn't prepare the lesson to talk about phonetic for you all guys. That's why today we're going to start phonetic, and for the next episode next week we will give assignment for one of any other students in the class to prepare the phonetic lessons, especially vowel sounds in the class. Okay, so first of all, let us know what is phonetic. Okay, this is a word. Okay, how should we know how to pronounce this word correctly, in correct manner, in correct order, in correct sound? Is there any proof that you know to prove for me that yes, this is the way that we can pronounce the word? For example, if I see, maybe I pronounce it phonetic, 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 phonetic. So how I should know what is the correct pronunciation of this word? Do you have any idea for this? For example, you're all English teachers. Your students ask you, teacher, this is a word. So how should I know the correct pronunciation of this word? Is there any rule that can help me understand the pronunciation of words in English language or not? Do you have an idea? Okay, you tell me.
The phonetics is the study of sounds in the language.
Okay.
When we are studying phonetics, we know how we pronounce, but there are some special words that we use for pronouncing these words as written down on the board. Each word has a different sound that we can recognize what kind of sound it delivers.
So thank you, it was great. So can you give me a sample for this word based on phonetic you expressed, how I should pronounce this word in correct manner? Is there, when I see this word, it looks like I should pronounce this word as phonetic. Okay? Yes. So is it right, or I should pronounce it differently, or I should say it phonetic or phonetic?
Yes.
How?
The point is that we should first study how we pronounce each, and if there is like alphabet, we have phonetic is a different study that we have.
Okay, thank you. Great. Have you ever heard phonetic when you were a student? You have never heard? Oh, it's very bad. It's the important part of learning English. You heard phonetic, so you have heard phonetic. What do you do about phonetic?
I want to learn it.
You want to learn it now? Okay, no problem. Guys, the word you see is actually the formation, the writing structure of the word. Okay? It is not the sound of the word. This is the word fe. This is the pronunciation of the word. Okay, this is the formation of the word. In writing, we should write like this. Okay, but in pronunciation, we should pronounce it like this. Phonetic. In British English, we pronounce it phonetic. Phonetic. Okay, but in American English, we have to pronounce it phonetic. Okay, you see this mark. This mark here represents from the stress of the word. Which part of the word should be stressed? For example, if you don't know one word in English, the meaning in your own language, you need to prefer a dictionary. The dictionary will tell you the meaning in your own language. beside telling the meaning, you can also find the pronunciation, and also you can also find the stressed syllable of the word. One word has different syllables. Okay, so we should say phonetic, or we should say phonetic. Phonetic. See, the stress is in here. Okay, phonetic. I don't stress loudly on fe, on tech. Okay, I just say phonetic. See, today I would like to talk about phonetic. Just you can understand na. Okay, dik, tek, or fe are in lower stress, so you have to understand phonetic and also stress in order to have a beautiful, a correct pronunciation. So have you got, guys? The English with the 26 letters, in British we say letters, yeah? In American we say letters. So the English with the 26 letters does not represent the sounds of English. Okay? In fact, there are other sounds. Vowel sounds, semi-vowel sounds, consonant sounds, voiced sounds, unvoiced sounds. They all represent from sounds of English. So in English, we have 15 vowels and semi-vowels. In primary class, you have studied vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, it's okay in primary class. Okay, but keep in mind, in English we have 15 vowel sounds and 15 vowel or semi-vowel sounds. Okay, so you have to understand. Do not think that 26 letters are sounds of English. Actually, you use them in writing, you use them also in pronunciation, but you need to learn other sounds that can help you improve your pronunciation. We have 23 consonants. Okay, for example, see this mark. This letter represents from this sound. Okay, sh, sh. Okay, if I have a word, for example, like this. Do you know how to pronounce this word? Well done. You know, if you look at this word, it seems like mochini. What is mochini? Yes, actually this is formation of the word. This is writing of the word. But we should pronounce like this. Machine. It's sh. It's long what? I. She. Machine. Okay, so do you know what does machine mean? If I pronounce it, do you know what does machine? Machine, we pronounce it in Dari, like, or in Persian, workshop. But when you pronounce it in English, you need to say workshop. Yes, so when you pronounce it in English, you need to say machine. You don't have to say machine. Yes, it's wrong. So how many vowels and semi-vowels do we have in English language? 15. So today we're going to talk about 2. 1 and also what? 2. The first sound is ah. The first sound is what? Ah. You need to pronounce this as ah. Okay? Ah means, for example, this is the word. Okay? This is another word. You can see a lot of words here. So if we see the formation of the word, it's like sar. But Phonetic says for us that we should pronounce this word like this. Car. Okay? So this mark with a with 1 colon represents from the sound of ah. Ah. How? Ah. We pronounce it ah. So see, car, hot, mom, got. If we do not know phonetic, we needed to pronounce hot, mom. But we learned phonetic. We checked dictionary. Dictionary told us, the phonetic taught us to pronounce this word like this, hot. So it's hot, but it's written hot, but we should pronounce it what? Hot. It is written mom. We should pronounce it? Yes, like this, mom. Yes? What is it? God. What is it? Job. What is it? Star. What is it? Not. And finally, yes, want. The other sound is, as I told you in a short glance yesterday, it's ah. Okay? How do you say? Ah. So if we sing it like a singer or practice it like a singer, we can say ah like this. Okay? English is like melody. English is like music. In fact, if you want to speak like native English speakers, you have to consider, observe the points, the rhythms, the roles, the strains, the pronunciation criteria that can help you speak like a real English. Okay? English is not like robotic sound. For example, if I smile like a robot, I can smile ha 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 ha. Yes, it's robot that is smiling. But when I smile, sometimes maybe I laugh, sometimes I smile in a different way. Maybe my smiling will be included with crying. Yes? So we humans have feelings, sensations. Okay? What is this sound? Ah. Ah. So these two marks, okay? These two marks, they're also glued to each other, okay? You can say they're glued to each other. یعنی به هم چسبیده هستن. Okay? Ah. So you see the words caught, bought, mon, lost, dot, fucked, hot, log, love. So if we don't have phonetics, so how should we pronounce? We pronounce them all wrongly. Yes? So phonetic helps us to pronounce the words correctly. This is the word phonetic says for us that you need to pronounce it like this. So you see, it's ka, it's ta. Yes? So we pronounce it cat. It's ah. So cat. Okay, do you like cat? I don't like cat. Yes? Cats always follow mouses. Sorry, mice. Yes? Cats. Cat. If I say cat, I like cat. Cat, what is cat? Cat is wrong. Cat means to cut the cake. Yes? But when you're talking about meow, so you need to pronounce it cat. Okay? Because if you're talking cutting the cake, you can say cut. I cut the cake. Okay? The next one is what? Yeah, bad. You're so bad. Yes? When you're talking about someone who is bad, you need to have your feeling. He's too bad. He doesn't accept my speech. So this is how phonetic teaches us to pronounce the word in correct way. Okay? The next one. How? What? Yes. Hey man, what are you doing? Yes? Man. He's a good man. Yes? If I say he's a good man, it's wrong. Yes? So see, phonetic teaches us to pronounce the words in correct order. The next one is? Last. Yeah? Last. Yes. You know, last time I saw you? When was the last time you fought with your brother? Yes? بار آخری که با همراه برادرتون جنگ کردن چی وقت بود؟ So you tell me, when was the last time you fought with someone?
I never fought with someone.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me, when was the last time you fought with?
Well, it was about maybe a month ago.
Okay, how do you pronounce this?
Last.
Last. Do not say last. Okay, if you pronounce it, so there is another word. It's last. It's a negative word. Okay, so it's also that. Yes, that is a book. That. So see, when you say man, you can say like this, okay? Because it has a long vowel. Okay. The next one is fact. Yes, fact. I want you to tell me the fact. Okay. The next one is how? Hat or hat? Yes. Do you have any hat? شخص میگه که من کلاه ندارم.
I don't have any hat.
Yes, he doesn't have any hat. Okay. So you don't, when you speak, so you should not say that I don't have any hat. Okay? I don't have any hat. Finish. That's all. Next one is laugh. The next one is the next that. And finally fat. Yes, she's too fat. It means it's something you don't like it. Okay. Now let's compare the sound with the sound okay. So we have what? Hot. We have not hot. Hat. Okay. We have cup. Yes, cup. We have cap. Yes. So what does cap mean? Cap means glass. What about this one?
Coffee.
What is this?
That's it.
What?
That's your life.
What? So this is a glass. Yes. So what about this?
This is like that.
Like hot.
Yes. Yes. Okay. How? Top. Tap. Yes. How? Lock. Yes. So it's see So you need to pronounce lock. So what about this? Lack. So guys, how do we get these sounds from? Can you give me my cell phone? Yes, come on, bring my cell phone. Yeah, you may go.